we can all concur that mosquitoes are among the most irritating pests known humanity. In addition to drawing blood when they discover you in pitch-black darkness, they are likewise capable of biting through clothing too. While many people reach for sprays and other store-bought mosquito repellents, the fact is that they are packed with chemicals and toxins that trigger more damage than benefits. The bright side is that there are numerous natural remedies that can fend off mosquitoes effectively and naturally. Contrary to popular belief, going natural does not always indicate that you are to quit repelling power. The best thing concerning any natural home remedy is that it is readily available to everyone. But, the web is full of misinformation that might inform you the opposite and lead you off target. So, you may question exactly what is that separates the treatments that actually work from the inadequate ones. In truth, you should look no more than science researchers are rather passionate about one particular essential oil mix. Its heavenly smell is generally the key to having an all-natural mosquito repellent this summer. Not just are mosquitoes incredibly irritating, however they likewise carry lethal illness like the Zika infection and malaria. For that reason, securing against mosquito bites is securing your health. It has been scientifically shown that the mix of lemon and eucalyptus vital oils serves as powerful mosquito repellent. It contains a compound that is even more efficient than DEET, among the most common and highly harmful insect repellents. In fact, the scientists kept in mind that DEET offered 84% security in a 4-hour duration, compared with the lemon eucalyptus mix which offered 97% in the same period. Needless to state, preparing this mosquito repellent takes more than just disposing the oils into a spray bottle with water. But, although it needs a couple of additional ingredients, the preparation is super easy. Components: 30 drops of lemon eucalyptus vital oil mix, 4 ounces of vodka, rubbing alcohol, or witch hazel, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: merely blend all the active ingredients above in a spray bottle and usage as required. Keep in mind that the formula lasts for as much as 4 hours, so make sure you reapply it routinely. In addition to the lemon eucalyptus mix which has been authorized by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention as a reliable mosquito repellent, there are a couple of other natural options offered. Inspect them out. 1. Lavender. Crush the lavender flowers and use the oil onto the sensitive areas of the body, such as the arms or ankles. Another option is to put a few drops on a tidy cloth and rub in on the skin. 2. Cinnamon oil. Mix 24 drops of oil for every 4 ounces of water. Spray the surface on the skin or clothing, on plants, or around the home. 3. Thyme oil. For a spray, mix 5 drops of thyme oil with 2 ounces of water. For a homemade brew, mix 4 drops of the oil to every teaspoon of jojoba, olive, or other base oil of choice. 4. Greek catnip oil. It has actually been clinically shown that Greek catnip oil repels mosquitoes for 2 to 3 hours. In addition, scientists at Iowa State University found that it can work 10 times better than DEET. 5. Soybean oil. The mix of soybean oil and lemongrass oil has been revealed to push back different types of mosquitoes. 6. Tea tree oil. It has actually been shown that repellents consisting of tea tree oil are very efficient against bush flies, biting midgets, and mosquitoes. If you think this information could help someone else, please share it on your social media.